Hi stamping friends, Becky Roberts with Inking Idaho here. I've been making these fun little candies for Valentine's Day this year using the envelope punch board, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're going to start with a piece of cardstock that is 3 inches by 5 inches and a piece of designer series paper that is 2 1/4 inches by 3 inches. So the first thing you're going to do is insert this in here vertically, and you're going to score it at 2 1/4 and at 2 1/2. Then you take your designer series paper and you're going to put it on the side that's 2 1/4 inches. The next thing you're going to do is insert it into the envelope punch board, and you're going to put it right into the opening. And let's see if I can lift that up so you can see that. I'm not sure if that's a better angle for you or not, but right smack in the middle of the opening and punch it. And then you're going to slide it over to 2 inches and punch it again. And this leaves you with that little tab right there. You're going to turn it around, do the exact same thing, punch it, slide it over to 2 inches, punch it again, and you're left with a little paper that looks like this. Then you're going to bring in your paper cutter, and you're going to line this up right here on your cutting edge, and with your paper cutter or trimmer, you're just going to cut that off. Turn it around and cut that little tab off also. And we're left with our paper that looks like this. So from here, you just fold on the score lines and crease it with your bone folder. And you have the cutest little file folder, and you can do a little stamping right here. On this one, I did Sweet Treats from the Teeny Tiny, I can't remember the name of the stamp set, Teeny Tiny Wishes, I think. Sorry, should have checked, how unprofessional. But anyway, from here, what you do next is you just insert your candy. This one was made for the Ghirardelli chocolates, and that's how I came up with the 3 inches wide. If you're going to do it for another size candy, you'll just make it longer or shorter and adjust the size for it. And then the baker's twine, I just wrapped it around a couple of times just to make sure that it was going to stay together without any tension on it, so that it wouldn't, or enough tension on it so that it would stay together, just so that it won't slide out. And then just tied it in a bow. And then I just made a little embellishment to put on the top of it, stuck it on with a Stampin' Dimensional, and you have a cute little finished candy. Little file folder candies. That's it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.